Alright, lesson 4, understanding the cultural 4-H material. PowerPoint slides poster of the definition of culture 4-H, color 4-H, emblem 4-H, pledge, hedge in relation to the independence, heart and its relation to belonging, hands with and its relation to the generosity, health, and in relation to the mastery 4-H, mission, vision, motto, education, and philosophy. Copies of appendix lesson 4, handouts, participant not receiving the copies of 4-H 101 curriculum, four beach balls with a key phrase, information written on them, to recognize the custom and the guidelines that make the 4-H club culture. Identify legal guidelines responsibility surrounding the use of 4-H name and an emblem. Time 30 minutes. What to do. Show the PowerPoint slide poster with the definition culture of what to say. Most groups have spoken and the unspoken, the expectations of the group of the program, behaviors that are part of the group's culture, the dictionary defines culture and the concept, habit, skills, and over the instrument, institution of the given and people, the given and belief. These include like rules and rituals, language, etc. Each 4-H club has its own unique culture. All 4-H clubs have a common practice guidelines outlining 4-H national headquarters, the USDA. We're going to spend a few minutes looking into these commonly agreed with the 4-H customs as well as the legal guidelines by which 4-H program must abide with. We've learned lesson 3 with about the 4-H youth development outreach program and the cooperative extension system that is made with the community of young people that ask her off of America, learning life skill with the support of the development and process by caring with adult leaders of the 4-H members that are actively involved in the education of the projects that are fun and use of the quality research-based curriculum. We learned learned in lesson 1 and 3 about 4-H long rich history with more than 100 years history with a lot in 4-H time to develop its own set of customs that help to define its culture. Let's take a look at some of those right now. What to do? Show the PowerPoint slide poster of the 4-H colors. Let's see what the 4-H colors are, which are green and white, and the symbol of the purity of the green represents nature's most common color and the embellic of the youth, life, and growth. Show the PowerPoint slide on poster 4-H emblem. The original symbol of 4-H Boys and Girls Club of the early 20th century was the three-leaf clover. The words head, heart, and hands. In 1911, the present 4-H emblem of the four-leaf clover was adapted 4-H Club. 4-H became healthy. The 4-H emblem is federally protected with Section 18 U.S. Code 707 belongs to the Congress of the United States. If as a 4-H volunteer, you are permitted to use 4-H name emblem once your program is chartered. You have given them permission for the local extension of the 4-H professional. We discussed chartering in more detail in lesson 9. You can learn about proper legal use of 4-H emblem 4-H National Headquarters website, National 4-H Headquarters.gov, or by referring to the handout in your appendix. Showing the PowerPoint slide poster 4-H pledge. 4-H pledge tells us 4-H is all about. 4-H has its goal to development of youth in 4 areas: hand, heart, and heart, hands, and health. Pledge adopted by the delegates for a national 4-H club camp in 1927. The state of the club leaders voted for and adopted the pledge of the universal use of the phrase "and my world" was added in 1973. Resuscitation of the pledge's prominent place in 4-H activity club meetings, achieving the days and the other program club events. What to do? Add a participation stamp with the hymn with accompanying the pledge. When you say head and place hand on forehead, heart, place your hand over the head or over your heart. Hands hold with the palms turned out in health. Leave arms at the side. It's important to know that the 4-H pledge is less practice, so now with the hands move with accompanying the pledge with demonstrate with them. Would like you to stand and repeat the words and movements with me clear. I pledge my heart to clear thinking, my head. I pledge my head to clear thinking, my heart to great loyalty, my hands to larger service, my health to better living for my club, with my community, and my country, and my world. Show the PowerPoint slide of the poster ahead of the relationship and independence. Remember the lesson 2 we talked about, the essential elements of which are the hallmarks of an effective youth development program. Slideshow of the H will stand with the head related to the independence. One of the 4 essential elements, pledge the head with the clear thinking, correspond with the independence of the leadership of the youth, the exercising knowledge, leadership of the youth development, responsible to be able to influence people, eventually with the decision-making action. Show the PowerPoint with a poster with the heart, with a relation to belonging. I pledge my heart to a greater loyalty, corresponding with the belonging, second and essential element that youth need to know that they are carried out by others, that feel with a sense of connection to the group. Belonging may be also a single most of the powerful ingredient we can add to the lives of youth. 4-H give the youth the opportunity to feel physically and emotionally safe while actively participating in the group. Alright, what to do? Show the PowerPoint slide poster hands with the relation to generosity. I pledge my hands with a larger show with the corresponding with the third element of generosity. You need not to know the life of the meaning and the purpose of the participation in 4-H club service consistent activities. Youth connecting communities learn to give back to the others. Show of the PowerPoint slide poster of the relationships of mastery. I pledge the hearts of that are living correspond with the mastery of the youth. Fourth, essential element to develop self-confident youth needs of the field of believing and capable with the most experience, success in solving problems, meet with the challenges. Show of the master point slide a poster of 4-H mission. The 4-H mission 4-H empower the youth to reach for the full potential working and learning partnership with caring and adults. Show of the PowerPoint slide poster 4-H vision. 4-H vision, a world in which the youth and adult learners grow and work together with a catalyst for positive change. What to do? Show the PowerPoint slide poster 4-H motto. 4-H motto to make the best better. To make the best better. Motto was adopted about the same time 4-H Club pledge and intent with it inspired with the young people to continue learning and growing to make their best efforts or better with those through participation and educational experience. Show the PowerPoint slide with the poster educational philosophy 4-H learning by doing. Sum up the educational philosophy 4-H program youth people learning best when they are involved in their learning. We will talk more upcoming lessons about how learning by doing is applied with the 4-H activities. Blow up the beach ball to the right with a key phrase with the information. Chapter 4 with each of the panel with the ball. 4-H model, 4-H emblem, pledge, etc. Gather the participation and circle the loss for the beach ball with the participation and the person read with the key with the phrase. Where on the left thumb lands, everyone answer the person that tosses the balls to another participant does it several times to have the person catch the beach ball, read the phrase, answer it. I'm going to give you a beach ball that has a key phrase with information written on chapter 4 for women in a circle with a sure have the beach ball and for your group. Start with a game and the tossing of the beach ball with one person. When you catch the ball, read the key phrase with the left hand thumbs. Everyone in the circle will then answer the question, and then we'll toss the ball to another participant. After a while, they will ask the person to catch up with the beach ball and to read with that phrase and answer it by themselves. Reference is Cressy, Essential Elements Youth Development, retrieved July 22nd, 2010. Ed McKinley S. Broad, EC 2010 Characteristics of Public Youth Development, Life Skills Development Lesson Plan, Purdue University Cooperative. 4-H lore, retrieved July 22nd, 2010, using 4-H name and an emblem, retrieved July 22nd, 2010. And that was lesson 4. Understanding cultural of 4-H.